Sony may have built a camera they still can't kill. Years after its release, the Sony a6400 is still challenging newer cameras that cost far more. Fast autofocus, sharp 24MP images, 4K video, and a massive lens ecosystem, all packed into one compact body. The shocking part? This old camera might still be one of the smartest buys in 2026. The price to performance secret. Let's start with the biggest reason the Sony a6400 continues to attract attention: value. In 2026, camera buyers have more choices than ever, but that doesn't mean every camera offers the same level of value. The a6400 has become interesting because it gives you many of the features people actually care about without forcing you into a premium camera budget. You're getting a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, interchangeable lenses, strong autofocus, 4K video, a compact mirrorless body, and a mature Sony lens ecosystem. That's a powerful combination for someone buying their first serious camera. The important thing is that you're not simply purchasing an inexpensive body. You're entering an entire camera system. You can begin with a basic lens and eventually add a fast prime for portraits, a wide lens for travel and vlogging, or a telephoto lens for wildlife and sports. That means the camera can grow alongside you. And this is where the a6400 becomes more interesting than a cheap point-and-shoot camera. A budget camera that limits you quickly isn't really a bargain. The a6400 is different because it can remain useful even after your photography skills improve. You may eventually want something newer, but you don't necessarily have to replace it immediately. For creators who want maximum capability without spending flagship money, that balance is still extremely attractive. The 24.2 MP APS-C sensor. We have the sensor, and this is where the a6400 proves that you don't need a gigantic megapixel number to create impressive images. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor offers plenty of resolution for everyday photography, portraits, travel, products, social media, YouTube thumbnails, and even serious enthusiast work. The APS-C format is particularly interesting because it sits in a sweet spot. It's larger than the sensors found in most smartphones, giving you more flexibility over depth of field and image quality, while still allowing the camera body and lenses to remain relatively compact. 24 megapixels also gives you useful cropping room. You don't have to frame every photograph perfectly in the moment. If you capture a slightly wider composition, you can crop later while retaining enough resolution for many real-world applications. But perhaps the biggest advantage is that the sensor works extremely well when combined with good lenses and good technique. Photography isn't a megapixel competition. Lighting, composition, exposure, focal length, and timing can completely transform an image. A camera with 60 megapixels doesn't automatically create a better photograph than a camera with 24. And that's why the a6400 sensor remains relevant. It provides enough detail without creating unnecessarily massive files. For a creator shooting thousands of photos, that's actually a practical advantage. Sony's autofocus is the game changer. Now we reach one of the strongest reasons the a6400 became so popular: autofocus. Sony's autofocus technology has long been one of the company's biggest strengths, and the a6400 brought sophisticated subject tracking into a relatively affordable camera. That's a huge deal because autofocus isn't something you appreciate only when everything goes perfectly. You appreciate it when things start moving. Imagine photographing a child running toward you, a dog jumping around, a performer crossing a stage, or a person walking through a busy street. Manually keeping your subject in focus can be difficult, especially when you're trying to capture the exact moment. The a6400's tracking and eye detection capabilities can take some of that pressure away. For portraits, eye detection can help keep focus where it matters most. For moving subjects, tracking can help maintain focus as the subject changes position. This doesn't mean the camera will magically produce perfect photographs every time. You still need the right shutter speed, lens, lighting, and technique. But the autofocus system gives you a much stronger safety net. And that's particularly valuable for beginners. A camera shouldn't just provide professional features. It should help you actually use them. The A6400's autofocus is one of the reasons this relatively small camera can feel much more capable than its age suggests. The compact body. We have something that sounds simple, but makes a huge difference in everyday life. Size. The Sony a6400 is compact, and that compact design can completely change how often you use the camera. Think about it. You can own the most powerful camera in the world, but if it's too heavy or inconvenient to carry, it may spend most of its life sitting inside a drawer. The a6400 has the opposite philosophy. It's small enough to travel with, easy to place inside a camera bag, and relatively discreet when you're shooting on the street. For travel creators, that's a major advantage. You can explore a city without feeling like you're carrying an entire production studio. Street photographers can work with less attention around them. Beginners aren't intimidated by a giant professional body. And YouTubers can create a lightweight setup without turning every shoot into a complicated operation. Of course, compact size comes with compromises. The grip isn't as substantial as what you'll find on a larger professional camera, and people with larger hands may prefer a bigger body. But that's the trade-off. The a6400 prioritizes portability, and portability can be more important than people realize. A camera that is small enough to bring everywhere gives you more opportunities to capture unexpected moments. In photography, opportunity matters. Sometimes the best camera is simply the one that's with you. 4K video for creators. The a6400 becomes especially interesting for video creators. The camera can record 4K video, which gives YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, educators, and content creators a strong starting point for modern video production. But the real advantage isn't simply that the footage is 4K. It's the flexibility that comes from using an interchangeable lens camera. You can choose a focal length based on your environment. You can use a fast lens when you want stronger background separation. You can switch to a wider lens for vlogging. You can create a more compressed look with a telephoto lens. That creative flexibility is something a smartphone cannot reproduce in exactly the same way. The a6400 also gives creators manual control, which allows you to learn how exposure and motion actually work. However, this is also where we need to be honest about its age. Newer cameras can offer better stabilization, newer video features, improved rolling shutter performance, and more advanced recording options. The a6400 isn't designed to dominate a professional cinema production, but that's not what most budget creators need. If your goal is YouTube, travel content, tutorials, interviews, product videos, or personal projects, the a6400 can still provide a very capable foundation. The camera doesn't have to be perfect. It simply has to give you enough control to make your ideas look the way you want them to. The flip-up screen. Halfway through the list, we reach a feature that makes the a6400 particularly appealing to solo creators. Its flip-up display. When you're recording yourself, framing becomes a major challenge. You need to know whether your face is positioned correctly, whether your background looks good, whether you're too close to the edge of the frame, and whether the camera is actually pointed where you think it is. A screen that flips upward gives you that visual feedback. For vloggers, YouTubers, fitness creators, teachers, reviewers, and anyone who records themselves, this can make shooting dramatically easier. You can position the camera, step into place, and check your composition before pressing record. It also makes the camera more approachable for beginners because you're not forced to guess what the camera sees. The design isn't perfect for every accessory configuration, especially when you start adding microphones and other equipment, but the basic concept remains extremely useful. Sony recognized that the modern camera wasn't always going to sit behind the photographer. Sometimes the photographer would be standing in front of it. That's why the a6400 feels like a camera designed for both traditional photography and modern content creation. It's flexible enough to work in both worlds. The Sony lens ecosystem. We're talking about something that can matter even more than the camera body itself. Lenses. A camera is only as flexible as the system surrounding it, and Sony's APS-C E-mount ecosystem gives the a6400 a major advantage. There are compact lenses, wide-angle lenses, portrait primes, macro options, telephoto lenses, third-party alternatives, and premium glass. That means you can build the system around your actual interests. If you're primarily a traveler, you might choose a lightweight zoom. If you're a portrait photographer, you might choose a fast prime. If you're creating cinematic YouTube videos, you might want a wide lens or a lens with a bright aperture. If wildlife is your passion, you can move toward a telephoto setup. The camera body stays the same, but your creative possibilities change dramatically. That's what makes an interchangeable lens system so powerful. And it also protects your investment. You can buy a lens today and continue using it if you eventually upgrade the camera body. This is why buying into a mature camera system can be smarter than simply buying the newest body available. Your equipment becomes an ecosystem instead of a collection of disconnected devices. For a beginner, that means you can start small, learn what you enjoy, and upgrade only when you actually need to. It's a serious travel camera. The a6400 becomes one of the most convincing travel cameras in its class. Travel photography is all about compromise. You want image quality, but you don't want to carry a massive setup. You want different focal lengths, but you don't want a suitcase full of lenses. You want good video, but you don't want a full cinema rig. The a6400 sits comfortably in that middle ground. Its compact body makes it easy to carry, while its interchangeable lens design gives you the flexibility to adapt to different situations. One moment you're photographing architecture with a wide lens. A few minutes later, you're capturing a portrait. Then you switch to a telephoto lens to photograph something far away. The camera can follow you through an entire day without becoming a burden. That's especially valuable because travel photography often depends on spontaneity. The best photograph might happen while you're walking to dinner, exploring a market, riding a train, or standing on a street corner. If your camera is too large or inconvenient, you might leave it behind. The a6400 encourages the opposite behavior. Take it with you. Keep it ready. Let the camera become part of the trip rather than another piece of luggage. That's one of its greatest strengths. The a6400 can still grow with you. We reach perhaps the most important reason to consider this camera. It doesn't have to be your beginner camera forever. The a6400 has enough control and capability to support your development as a photographer. You can start in automatic modes and gradually learn manual exposure. You can experiment with shutter speed and discover how motion changes. You can learn aperture and understand depth of field. You can experiment with ISO and discover how light affects image quality. You can explore different autofocus modes, lens choices, compositions, and shooting techniques. Eventually, you may reach a point where you want a more advanced body. But by then, you'll know exactly why. That's much better than spending thousands of dollars on professional equipment before you understand what you actually need. The a6400 can teach you the fundamentals while still giving you enough room to experiment. And because the Sony system offers so many lens options, your creative journey doesn't have to end when your skill improves. You can simply expand the system. This makes the camera more than a cheap entry point. It becomes a foundation. And a good foundation can be worth far more than a flashy camera with specifications you'll never use. Why the Budget King is still relevant. We have the reason the Sony a6400 continues to deserve attention. Balance. It doesn't win every category. It isn't the newest Sony camera. It doesn't have every feature modern creators might want. It doesn't offer the stabilization or advanced video capabilities of some newer models. But when you combine its strengths, 24.2 megapixel APS-C image quality, excellent autofocus, compact design, 4K video, a creator-friendly screen, interchangeable lenses, and a mature ecosystem, you get a camera that can handle an enormous variety of situations. In a market where camera manufacturers constantly push consumers toward newer and more expensive equipment, the a6400 makes a different argument. It says you don't always need more. Sometimes you need better use of what you already have. If you're a beginner, the a6400 can be your first serious camera. If you're a traveler, it can become the camera you actually carry. If you're a YouTuber, it can be the foundation of your setup. If you're a photographer, it can become a compact second body. And if you're simply looking for maximum value, It remains one of those cameras that makes you stop and question whether spending more is actually necessary. So, is the Sony a6400 still worth it in 2026? Absolutely, if value is your priority. It may be older, but its performance, portability, autofocus, and lens ecosystem still deliver where it matters. The a6400 doesn't need to be the newest camera to be a budget king. It just needs to keep winning where creators actually care.